Smokeless chimney, combustion air fan, the Plenum Parts. Warm homes and clean air for everyone. Prototyping is working to get your parts that are in the CAD machine to come out and be usable. These parts didn't really pass my internal quality control. They look like Swiss cheese close up, and I didn't like them. You can see here that there's lots of holes in, it's like Swiss cheese. It looks good on that side, but not on that side. I refined by printing, and these parts appear usable. We will likely ship black parts to customers. However, the green and the white look good on camera. Photogenic. Next, I will show you how to insert pipes into these. This is two airtight air pipes. We call them air tubes, air pipes. It is 1-inch conduit, 1-inch electrical conduit. And notice that once I stick them into the 9D, they stay there. They're retained by the 9D. You can orient it in a couple different, you can twist it. It doesn't come out really easy. This is why we use the flexible filament. This is the Woody fan. It is a 120 milliamp fan. It produces just under 10 CFM. I'm going to show you how the air tubes or air pipes, Plenum Parts, fit inside the fan. There, that was just a few seconds. Anybody can do that. Next, I'll show you a spreadsheet of the various fan configurations. The 10025 fan comes in different amperage ratings, and so this one is similar to the 110 white, where it produces it draws 120 milliamps, approximately 9.5 CFM. Or we can control a fire of around 16.5 kilowatts. But that's a lot of control for a 1.5 watt fan. Can you find your wood stove on this chart? If you have a wood stove that is smaller or you're having control problems, we have these Orifice plates. They come in 12, 15, and 18 millimeters. This will restrict the airflow. Sometimes not by much, but the maximum airflow will be restricted down to the Orifice plates. Here is a power supply setup with the Woody fan with a 90. The fan requirements are that the system be able to lift a ping pong ball. And you can see here that once the fan spins up, it draws 120 milliamps and the ping pong ball is lifted. I will do a close-up of the display so that you can see the inrush current of the fan. Here we go. It peaks out at 170 milliamps and settles in at 120 milliamps. And it lifts the ping pong ball. I like this fan. It is a good fan for small battery operated circuit boards. Here is the fan spreadsheet showing the flow rates. If you have a fan, you can look at the current draw and match it up to this table. We are working with 120 milliamps, so we'll use the white 110. We can Smokeless Chimney, warm homes and clean air for everyone. www.smokelesschimney.com